presenting my topic on health insurance and efficiency. And the aim is to help people make the most out of their health insurance claims by speeding up processing, improving decision, and enhancing the overall experience, considering the complexities of healthcare data, regulation, and industry standards. Some key tasks to consider with the health insurance claim processing. We want to make sure that the consumer has active coverage. Doctor visits take place. Once the doctor visit is over, the claim is submitted. Claim is processed, which typically involves getting the health insurance information as well as the consumer data. Once the claim is processed, a status update, whether the claim is approved or denied. Typically, more information may be needed. A notification is sent to the consumer as well as the provider for next steps. The claim process overall can take days to months depending on what the delay is. The processing inefficiency, decision making challenges, and the complex healthcare data. Some of these are reasons for the delays. Overall, this causes either the claim to be denied or increased workload on the provider because additional paperwork has to be done. Also, it creates a poor user experience for the consumer, having to incur additional costs if the claim is not covered. So we're looking to improve these problems by leveraging AI capabilities to streamline this process and to submit claims faster. In the process of designing this AI model, we want to make sure that the patient's healthcare records are linked to a centralized data repository that is updated with each doctor's visit. The data collection and training is ongoing. And some of the key considerations is user input with feedback loop. As new data is added, user can log into their account either by their mobile device or website. The user verifies the data to ensure accuracy and make any corrections or delete any inaccurate data. Another key consideration is transparency. Our user or consumer can see the life cycle of their claim from beginning to end as it's being processed or initiated after their doctor visit. And with communicating any uncertainties in the prediction of the claim status, the estimation processing time that shows, we want to put a score there to show what is the accuracy. And then when we look at privacy considerations, of course, there's privacy laws to be considered, the GDPR, the California privacy law, HIPAA, and the PIPDA. These are things that have to be taken into consideration for its billing. Privacy concerns in AI systems generally revolve around data security, informed consent, potential bias, and data profiling, retention policies. Transparency is another issue. We want to take into consideration and make sure that we're compliant in these factors. Ethical concerns with healthcare, there's a high utilization in consumers with two or more health conditions. Disparities often include socioeconomic, geographic, education, and occupational factors. Want to ensure transparency by letting consumers know what data is being collected, how their claims are processed, disclosure of how claim decisions are made, An approach to address fairness and bias is to prevent discrimination in training data by ensuring equal representation of groups and individuals. When issues arise, taking accountability for outcome for AI claim processing application. And if any issues come up, we want to rectify those, such as an appeal for a denied claim or delay in processing. In conclusion, AI has the potential to signify and reduce processing times. The actual impact can vary depending on the specific implementation, of the level of integration with any existing systems, such as any data repositories, any health records. And we want to make sure that our algorithms are effective. It is important for insurance providers to continually assess and optimize their AI systems to ensure they deliver on the goal of expediting claim processing while maintaining accuracy and fairness. Thank you.